to CBS News Detroit for the 13th annual Men's Health event returns to Ford Field tomorrow, offering preventative health checks for all men 18 and older. Joining us now with the details is Dr. Michael Lutz, president and founder of the MIU Men's Health Foundation, and also a urologist with the Michigan Institute of Urology. Thanks so much for coming on with us.
Thanks for having me here.
We really appreciate it. So first and foremost, let's explain the importance of this event. A lot of organizing goes into it.
A lot. We have over 100 sponsors and partners. So we are like Switzerland. We have all the different hospitals partnering with us, health insurance organizations. Everybody is there to help our underserved male population get healthy and stay healthy. Everything is about trying to get guys to get into the healthcare system and offer them the opportunities that they may not get at a doctor's office. In fact, they can get all of their screenings at all these different doctor visits in a couple hours at Ford Field in one day.
Would you mind rattling off some of those screenings that are available? We were very impressed by the list.
They'll start with their vitals, BMI, waist circumference, mental health, oral cancer, vision, hearing. Then they'll go on and get vascular, cardiac, spine evaluation. Then they get their blood work done, and then we have vaccinations and free haircuts, free food. And then we have a women's section, so women who bring the men, we have an area for them with educational materials. And then we also have vocational and educational opportunities to try and get those guys back into the workforce as a result of the COVID pandemic.
I hope everyone at home is amazed hearing you rattle that off, because I think when you're tasked with making just one doctor's appointment, two doctor's appointment, that can be overwhelming. That was, 30 different specialists you would have to go to, that this is a one-stop shop.
And nothing is obligatory, but this year we're focusing on mental health because we know that mental health is men's health. And there's been so much discussion about the situation of anxiety, depression, and suicide within our society. We wanted to focus on it this year. And so we have extra amount of health care focused on mental health awareness. And we have screeners and follow-up care and all kinds of opportunities where men in their own privacy within this arena will have the opportunity to speak to a counselor, get some evaluation, get some follow-up care.
I would love to dive a little bit deeper into that. I could be wrong. I could be overgeneralizing or stereotyping. I think women very recently have had an easier time saying, I go to therapy, my therapist. Men, is there still that stigma? Are you still making a conscious effort to get men feeling comfortable about their mental health and talking about it and seeking help?
For some reason, when they come to Ford Field to this event, all of the stigmas and barriers just fall away. We have men openly standing in line for HIV screening. Mm-hmm. We have men openly standing in line for suicide screening and mental health. So this is an experience where men go here. It's a very comfortable environment, and this really takes down the barriers and gets guys really involved. The sad thing is that we get only 1,000 to 2,000 men to come to this event and maybe 6,000 attendees. If we could get more, we could really help more. We raise money all year long for an event just like this. Our goal is to see more than what we do and to keep on growing to help our community.
All right, we talked about the very important things, but I also heard there's a little bit of fun that will happen.
There's a lot of fun. We actually have the guys go down onto the field. They get to kick a field goal. They get to pretend for a moment they're with the Detroit Lions.
Have you taken a try at that?
Absolutely.
How'd you do?
Not too bad.
In the post?
I've had some good luck a couple of years. I've been doing it for 13 years now. So some years are good, some years not so good. But it really is a lot of fun. We have on-field activities, and we have yoga. We have high-intensity training. We have all kinds of opportunities on the field. And so just come to the event, enjoy the day, or spend a couple hours. Either way, you'll learn something, you'll gain something, and you might actually get healthy. And the best thing is, if you're healthy, bring a friend.
Wonderful.
You might save a life.
Wonderful. Dr. Michael Lutz, thank you so much. What an incredible event. We wish you the best of luck tomorrow.
Thanks so much.